Interested to see how we helped scale an agency to over £1 million a month? Watch on. This is Nidal's agency, and Nidal was a very specialist agency focusing for business consultants and generating leads for business consultants. His packages were between 5k and 10k per month. However, his lead generation just really wasn't having it. It was predominantly via word of mouth and referrals. He was, however, doing over 100 grand a month when we actually met up with him, and he had 2 staff. We did an initial assessment, and we decided that his dream clients could be sourced via social media influencers, PPC and LinkedIn. We created an acquisition method, this is one we use quite a lot: lead generation to webinar and then free consultation. We didn't actually advise anything on the packages. We did draw out, I'm going to show you how we drew out the proposal a little bit better, but the packages were fine. So what we helped him do was we helped him create a webinar. And we use a system that we've got called the Hero Story webinar. So we set him up with that. We then helped create the opt-in adverts to webinar and then the email after. That was part of the email sales funnel. Showed him how to draw out a proper proposal document, a lot more effective than the one that we have, and then gave him a free consultation blueprint. Because what we were doing, generating the leads, going over to a free consultation and then signing the clients there. And the end result was massive. We didn't even think it would be this good, but it was. His company absolutely boomed. There's so much demand for lead generation and business consultancy now. I mean, if you're an agency and you're generating leads for people who are business consultants, it's massive. And he, as I said, he had created the packages anyway, so we didn't actually need to help him there. But the end result is now doing over $1 million per month with 30 staff. Absolutely phenomenal work. If this is something that interests you, then check in the description. We can take it further. Okay, thanks very much.